Is your relationship facing challenges that you never anticipated? Have you been wondering if there's a way you can begin turning things around? Introducing a transformative workshop, The 7 Principles of Making Marriage Work. You can break free from the cycle of misunderstanding and disconnection. Learn to build love maps, connecting on a deeper level, understanding dreams, and sharing experiences. Nurture fondness and admiration. Rekindle appreciation and leave negativity behind. Learn what it means to turn towards one another instead of away by being present for each other's needs and rediscovering emotional closeness. Learn to let your partner influence you, making decisions together, valuing each other's input. Understand what solvable problems are in your relationship and what the unsolvable problems are in your relationship. And learn how open communication can prevent small issues from becoming major hurdles. Learn how to overcome gridlock by understanding each other's perspectives and resolving deep-seated conflicts. Create shared meaning by establishing values, rituals, and a shared vision for a purposeful journey together. You don't need to wait any longer. Register now for the workshop on the 7 principles for making marriage work. Reignite your connection. Reserve your spot today.